Hello friends, welcome to the session. We are dealing with the electrical drives. Today we will be discussing about some of the applications of electrical drives in industry. So first example we will take of textile mills. The block diagram is shown where the different processes in a textile mill are considered. The first is a ginning mill where the seeds are separated from the cotton. Then blowing, the ginned cotton bales are opened and processed. Similarly, the carding, drawing, combining and lapping operation, all these are done, and then final finishing section is done through bleaching, dyeing, printing, then stamping and packaging. Now, through each process we need to decide what is the requirement of the machine, and depending on that we will be selecting the appropriate drives. For example, in ginning and blowing, the approximate speed requirement is around 300 rpm to 1500 rpm. So load and speeds are nearly constant. Therefore, we can choose here a squirrel cage induction motor drive which has a synchronous speed of around 1500 rpm. Similarly, for drawing, self-brake motors can be preferred as the brake helps in instantaneous stopping of the mechanism. Similarly, for speed frame or fly frame, the motor which we select should have the smooth acceleration and it should have the capability of working in a very high ambient temperature. Similarly, in spinning, the machine does the final drawing, twisting and winding operations. For that, starting torque required is more than 100% of the capability of the machine. So here we cannot use the DC machines, and if the synchronous speed which is around 100 to 1500 rpm, so again we can use a squirrel cage induction motors. So in brief we can say that in textile mills the squirrel cage induction motors with standard values and self brake motors, as well in some parts of the process we make use of DC motor drives. Similarly, the next application, if we consider of steel mills, the block diagram shows the different processes. The requirements of drives in this application are the drive should operate in a wide range of speed, and the frequently starting and reversing must be allowed. In some cases the speed reversal is needed and its response should be very much high. It should be of a high reliable, and automatic control of operation should be important feature. For this we can conclude that DC motors, that too of separately excited DC motors, will be best suited drives for steel mills. Thank you.